What up guys, Miguel here of Tech, and if you haven't already seen our review on Vivo's latest device, the Vivo V29 5G, you can check it out here. This particular video about the V29 5G focuses on this thing. The Auralight 2.0, a smart LED flash that can adjust its color temperature leveraged on AI photo processing algorithms. But of course, we can adjust it manually to suit our different use cases or needs, like so. So anyways, let's dive in. So I'm guessing the question on everyone watching this video's mind is, does this feature truly revolutionize smartphone photography, or is it just another gimmicky cog in the wheel? Well, a great man once said, it's not about the gear. Let's delve deeper. Arguably, the most impressive facet of the Auralight 2.0 is its innovative conical reflected optical path. Designed to reflect light rays in a 360-degree full-angle manner, this innovation is reminiscent of how modern astronomical telescopes function. This lens was crafted at Vivo's optical laboratory after numerous simulations, drawing inspiration from the Cassegrain telescope. This particular telescope is raved over for its special reflective design, compactly folding the optical path. Vivo's move to incorporate this design into a smartphone's camera structure is not just ambitious but ingenious. It allows for a more compact design, making the V29's camera module space optimized. And compared to, in this case, the more generic constant color temperature LEDs or camera flashes found in other smartphones, the V29 5G's Auralight 2.0 boasts a lineup of 4 LEDs, each with adjustable color temperature. This addresses the frequent issue of cameras faltering in varied lighting conditions. The inclusion of 2 cool and 2 warm LEDs positioned symmetrically ensures even distribution of light across the Auralight flash. The result? Constant color temperature and brightness. The ability to adjust among 23 levels of color temperature and achieve stepless color temperature transitions showcases Vivo's commitment to creating a seamless photography experience. You could even theoretically match the white balance in Kelvin with a different camera for better uniformity if you were to, let's say, use the V29 5G as a behind-the-scenes camera in some video production. Vivo's meticulous attention to detail also shines through with the nano-level Auralight process. The reflective cone at the center receives a nanoscale vacuum coating, enhancing its reflective capacity. This, combined with the intricately crafted diamond-cut Fresnel grooves, ensure precise control of light emission. But Vivo doesn't stop at precision. They bring art to the equation. By integrating bokeh particles with a frosted sandblasted effect, the Auralight can be used as a soft light because of this diffusion, rendering portraits with an even and soft light towards the subject. But anyways, enough talking, let's check out some of our best photos taken with the Auralight 2.0. In conclusion, the Vivo V29 5G's Auralight 2.0 is not exactly a marketing gimmick. It's a sympathy of technological prowess and artistic nuance that forces the user using this feature as a tool to think outside the box so that the technology doesn't go to waste. For those serious about their smartphone photography game, the Auralight 2.0 is definitely a camera feature that could stir your decision-making pot. The Vivo V29 5G is available in the color we have here, Magic Maroon, and Starry Purple for an official SRP of 24,999 pesos. It's also available for 26,999 pesos for the 12 gigabytes of RAM plus 512 gigs of internal storage variant. Again, if you want to know more about this device overall, you can check out Jose's review over here. So, what do you guys think of the V29 5G's Auralight 2.0? let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.